from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
A cell phone company bringing 500 new jobs to Henrico County. We'll have an update on COVID-19 and 2 traffic alerts, all coming up on today's Henrico News Minute for Monday, August 17th, 2020. It's brought to you today by Nathan's Roof Repairs.
And now for the news.
T-Mobile will move its customer service center from Henrico's west end to the former Sam's Club building at the shops at White Oak Village in Eastern Henrico, bringing 800 jobs with it and adding 500 new jobs for a total of 1,300 at the new site. Virginia Governor Ralph Northam made the announcement August 14th. The company plans to invest $30 million to upgrade the facility. T-Mobile already employed more than 1,300 people throughout Virginia prior to its recent merger with Sprint and has since added more than 1,000 employees as the companies have integrated. The state approved an $826,000 grant from its Commonwealth's Opportunity Fund to assist Henrico County with the project. T-Mobile also is eligible to receive state benefits from the Virginia Enterprise Zone program and the Major Business Facility Job Tax Credit for new full-time jobs created. Brookland District Supervisor Dan Schmidt will hold a virtual constituent conversations meeting on Thursday to receive input on Henrico County's potential creation of a civilian review board for the Henrico Division of Police. The meeting will be held from 6 to 7:30 p.m. on WebEx. It's open to the public but intended for residents of Brookland. You must register in advance at henrico.us/supervisors/Brookland-district. Before the meeting, you'll receive an email prompting you to sign in with your name and email address, and a moderator will indicate when it's your turn to speak. The board is considering the possibility of creating a civilian review board, although it's not planning to take any action until after the Virginia General Assembly convenes this month to consider the issue for possible statewide implementation. The Virginia Department of Health reported 67 new confirmed cases of COVID-19 in Henrico County over the weekend, along with 2 new hospitalizations and no new deaths. The county has averaged about 70 hospitalizations a month since the pandemic began. It now has 352 in total. Henrico's moving positivity percentage over a 7-day period is up to 7.7% as of August 12th. That's the most recent day for which that information is available. It's about half a percentage point higher than the state average of 7.2%. A traffic alert if you are traveling in Eastern Henrico this week. A new traffic pattern will begin on Airport Drive August 19th at 8 p.m. as part of the I-64 Airport Drive Bridge Replacement and Interchange Improvements Project. All lanes will be shifted east on Airport Drive to allow crews to work on the western part of the bridge. The traffic shift is expected to be complete by the morning of August 20th. It'll be in place until further notice. The primary purpose of the $35 million project is to replace the I-64 eastbound and westbound bridges over Airport Drive. The project is expected to be completed by late 2022. And how about a traffic alert in the near West End this week as well? Bethlehem Road between Staples Mill and Spencer Roads will be closed to through traffic during overnight hours for repaving beginning on Tuesday. The section of road is expected to be closed nightly from 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. through Friday morning as crews complete milling, paving, and striping of the road. A detour will direct you around the work zone. Henrico County's court-appointed special advocates will hold a virtual information session next Tuesday, August 25th, and also an in-person session at 6 p.m. Thursday, September 3rd for people who are interested in volunteering to work in the court system on behalf of abused or neglected children. The organization will offer a 14-session training program for new volunteers that begins on Saturday, September 26th. If you are interested or want more information, you can contact Rebecca Kalman-Winston at 501-1670 or KAL001 at henrico.us. You also can register online for either of the 2 sessions. Visit henricocitizen.com and click on government to read this article and find those links. Today's Henrico News Minute has been brought to you by Nathan's Roof Repairs, a small company doing big things. Check them out online at nathansroofrepairs.com or call 273-9200 for a free estimate.